Hi, everyone. Quick weekend reminder because our first real deadline is coming up fast. Next Friday, if you're in our 16-week course, week 2, both the beginning year module and the module 1 are due by 5 p.m. That is a very hard cutoff. If you're in an 8-week course, next Friday in week 2, that your module 2 will be done. So pace yourself and don't wait until Friday afternoon. Also, this is your reminder for the WN requirements. You must complete the syllabus quiz and the intro discussion board to stay enrolled. Now, there are still about 10 of you who haven't done those yet. Handle that now, not later. And one more thing. I will typically be out of the office Friday through Sunday. So any messages you send over the weekend will be answered the following business days. As a professional, I work a professional schedule. My teaching load goes Monday through Thursday. Fridays are my administrative load, where I work on meetings, committee work, anything of education outreach for the community. Saturdays and Sundays, I go back to being Logan Phillips, and I do my cows, my businesses, and my life, hang out with my wife, and those types of fun things. So I work a professional schedule, Monday through Thursday. I answer your emails Friday through Sunday. I am incommunicado, and you're going to be on your own. So make sure if you have questions, get them to me beforehand. I'll be wearing my farmer hat, so playing with the cows, throwing the hay bales, and yes, probably even scraping some chicken coops. And honestly, if you're not willing to come down and help me with my barn, I'm probably not going to be available for you on the weekends. So here's your smart plan. Use the weekend to relax if you need it, but work ahead if you can so next week isn't stressful. Before I go, Power BI, you can install it on your own computer. Just Google Power BI Desktop, sign in with TCC email and password. You're good to go. The Power BI assignment. It is a follow-along video. You will build exactly what I build or he builds and submit the finished project as a PBIX file. The exam, no special software needed for the modules exams. It's a single attempt. Once you open it, you are committed. Make sure you finish it in that one setting. Your case studies require 2 submissions, 2 submission locations, and you need in-text citations plus a reference list. The minimum is 1,000 words. That's basically 4 solid paragraphs. And yes, make sure you respond to your peers. The pre-quiz, it shows you your earned score right now, but I will update the pre-quiz at the end of the semester to give you full credit for completion. So don't stress about it, just do it and know that it will convert at the end of the semester. All right, guys, handle your WN items, start module 1. If you're in an 8-week, make sure you're getting on module 2, and don't gamble with the clock next Friday. Technology issues always wait till those last minutes. All right, guys, have a very fruitful day. Bye, guys.